Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today I'll be learning how to log into Northeastern University Student Account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Northeastern University Student Account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address northeastern.edu like this and hit on enter. And you'll be directed to this home page. Now in order to proceed to log into your student account, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and over here you will find the accessibility option available for us. Click on the accessibility and we'll be landed on the digital accessibility page of the Northeastern University. Now at the top right corner you can see these icons where it says explore Northeastern. Click on these 9 dots over here at the top right corner of the screen and it'll show you this menu. Now you can click on my Northeastern, click over here, and then you'll be directed to the home site of Northeastern University. Now in order to log into your student account, you can see there's a bunch of details for Student Hub, Employee Hub, Family Hub and Hub News. In order to log in, guys, click on the Hub login and enter your Northeastern email address over here, which the Northeastern University has provided you with. And after entering your Northeastern University's email like this, hit on the next button over here at the right side, and on the next step you'll be required to enter the password of your Northeastern University account. And then after entering your password, guys, you'll be logged into your student account online on your computer. And with that being said, guys, this is how to log into your Northeastern University student account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.